Hello my dear students, get ready for today's EVS class. Students, you have to do an activity. Now students, please close your eyes and sit quietly. Listen carefully to sounds around you. Students, what kind of sounds did you hear? What are the sounds coming from? Which sense organ help us in hearing the sound? Yes, our ears help us in hearing the sound. Students, today we are going to start our new block 8, Sounds I Hear. And in today's class, we will find out how a sound is made. So, जो भी sound सुनते हो कैसे बनती है? Today we will discuss. Now students, here are some questions for you. Question is, what are the other things that make sound around you? So कौन कौन सी things होती हैं जो आपके आसपास sound करती हैं? Let's discuss the answer. Vehicles, clocks, phones, animals, music system are something that also make sound. Now students, have you ever seen a guitar? How is sound made by a guitar? गिटार से कैसे साउंड बनती है? Let's discuss the answer. Let's discuss some important fact about this lesson. We pull the string, as you can see in the picture. इसने strings को पकड़ा है, strings को pull करता है. We pull the string to make a sound. You can hit something and you can also blow air into something or pull a string on something to make a sound. So ये बहुत सारे ways होते हैं जिनकी मदद से, जिनकी help से we can make sound. Like we can see, we can pull string to make the sound. So गिटार की string को जब pull करेंगे तो sound आएगी उसमें से. And if we hit the ढोल, ढोल को अगर hit करेंगे तो उसमें से भी sound आती है. And if we blow air into something, so it can make a sound. So इससे भी sound बनती है. Clear students? I hope you understand that. So moving to our next step, higher order thinking question. Question is, when we speak, we make sound. How do we produce or make sound? हम कैसे sound बनाते हैं? कैसे आती है हमारे अंदर से sound? Students, let's discuss the answer. There is a flap like inside our throat. तो हमारी throat के अंदर एक flap like होता है. It moves to and from like a string and produce the sound. So you can see the throat. It produces the sound. I hope you understand that. Now students, please open your content book of EVS Sounds I Hear. So block name is Sounds I Hear. So what we are going to learn in this block? We hear many sounds around us every day. This is because different things produce different sounds. Our voice is a sound too. So जो हमारी voice होती है वो भी एक sound है. Some examples of sounds are the barking of dogs, chirping of birds, honking of cars, ringing of bells. So our first lesson is making sound. So let's start reading. A thing makes a sound when we hit it, blow into it, or pull its string. Sound is produced when something vibrates. I hope lesson is clear that how sound is made. जब भी कोई चीज़ें वाइब्रेट होती है that it produce sound. So you can see in the picture that girl is blowing air and this girl is pulling the string of a guitar and they are hitting something so that they can make sound. I hope lesson is clear to you all. Now students, we will discuss the keywords. First one is sound, source, hit, blow, string. So you have to write these keywords in your notebook. Now students, please open your worksheet. Question number 1 is match the column A and column B. So cow. आपको बताना है काऊ की साउंड क्या होती है। यस, काऊ की कौन सी साउंड होती है? माओ माओ। नेक्स्ट वन इज कैट, कैट की साउंड म्याऊ म्याऊ। एंड अलार्म क्लॉक की कैसे साउंड होती है? टक टिक टक। Clear students? So you have to complete this question in this way. Next is complete the table, name of the thing and it looks like. What do we do with it to make sound? Okay students? So students, look at this picture. This is a whistle and whistle कैसे blow कैसे sound आती है उसमें से? When we blow into it, जब हम उसमें हवा भरते हैं then whistle से sound आती है. And next picture is of a flute. So you will write here flute, F-L-U-T-E. So you will write here flute. And flute से कैसे sound आती है? When we blow into it. Next one is guitar. So you will write here guitar. And after that you will write the reason how guitar produces sound. When we pull the string, it makes a sound. जब हम उसकी string को pull करते हैं. Next one is xylophone. Okay, so xylophone कैसे sound करता है? When we hit a thing, जब भी हम इसके ऊपर कोई thing को hit करते हैं तो xylophone sound करता है. Clear students? Next question is which part of our body help us speak? How? So you have to think and write your answer. There is a flap-like thing inside our throat. It moves to and from like a string and produce the sound. I hope it is clear to you all. So you have to complete this worksheet. Now students, please open your content book. Look at the practice questions. You have to do practice question number 1. Write 5 things that make sound. So उन 5 things की आपको name write करने हैं जो कि sound करती हैं, sound make करती हैं. Like whistle, flute, guitar, xylophone, piano and dhol. So you will think and write your answer. Next question is write two things that can make sound when we blow into them. Also write 2 things that make sound when we pull their strings. So आपको 2 things की name write करनी है जिनके अंदर blow करने से वो sound करती हैं. First one is whistle. Next one is flute. Clear? And the 2 things that make sound when we pull their string are guitar and iktara. Clear students? So you have to complete practice question number 1 and 2. Thank you everyone for watching this video.